Okay, so a couple of tips about making these little videos. First of all, notice I'm looking at the camera, okay? I'm not looking at the screen like I am doing now, actually looking at the camera of my smartphone. You can either hold yourself making these videos, or if you want somebody to photograph you, that's even better. Most important, look at this, I'm wearing a neck mic. You have to have a neck mic, you gotta have a good sound quality. Either one that's like a wire that I'm using right now, or you can get a Bluetooth or wireless neck and mic, very important, okay? Remember what you have to say on the video, okay? I've got a piece of paper here with me, all the notes that I wanna talk about. Notice how, okay, notice how, first smile, that's also important, okay? Smile at the video, don't be nervous. If you have to take the video again and again, do it a few times until you get it right, okay? Notice how, not necessarily I'm in the center of the video, okay? There are advantages of putting myself on the side of the video, because then you'll see I can add over here extra piece of information. Let's say you're showing a church or showing some building or something. We can add another video of here. I'm going to just add here of some cars driving by. And at the end of the video, another important thing, at the end of the video, make sure that you connect it to the next video that's coming along. So you can say something like, right, we'll see you at the next point where you'll see, so keep on writing and we'll show you something at the next point, okay? So that can also, at the end of the video, make a connection to the next stop, or you can warn, like you could use something like, hey, notice that when you go over the bridge in about 1 kilometer from now, have a connection to what's gonna happen in the future of the next video. All right, lovely.